Legally Speaking with Crocker Law.
Wrongful death is a legal term we've all heard before, but Cindy, what exactly does wrongful death mean?
Well, a wrongful death claim is a lot like any other injury claim, except, of course, instead of just having an injury, the victim has died. But a wrongful death can be the same types of claims. It may be the result of a car accident, it could be a medical mistake, nursing home abuse, it could be an accidental shooting, it could be a slip and fall. There's lots of ways that a wrongful death can happen. I think that term wrongful death kind of gives people the impression that it's a criminal act or it's something intentional. And certainly an intentional act can be wrongful death. O.J. Simpson was sued for wrongful death. But it's not necessary that it have been a deliberate act. Just a negligent act can give rise to a wrongful death claim.
So the wrongful death claim, who actually gets to make that claim? And even after that claim is made, if it's won, who gets the money?
Yeah, that's a great question. Somebody has to hire the lawyer and settle the case or bring the lawsuit, and that will be the executor or the administrator of the estate of the dead person. So somebody has to be appointed. But that does not mean that the appointed person gets all the money. In fact, there's a statute that says once that person settles it, this is how they have to distribute that money. An important thing to understand is it doesn't necessarily go the same way that your will goes. It's not part of your estate, it's not part of your will. So I might leave Ben everything in my will, but if I'm killed by a drunk driver and they make a recovery, half of that money will go to Ben, half will go to my children under the statute.
And if you don't have a spouse or children?
Your parents are next in line.
Very interesting. Please join us next time for Legally Speaking with Crocker Law.